fond of gathering crowd. I always wanted minimum number of serious people who are interested to develop and explore this area. Why I asked these three gentlemen to be on dais is they have came so far. He has been coming since Washi, sir, and sir has been also traveling along quite a far distance. That doesn't mean other participants have not, but whoever has contributed sincerely. As far as our faculties are concerned, I must name a few names like I personally thank Mr. Mandar, Srikant Mahadik sir, Vishal Bhagwat sir, Dudhar sir. These people have really helped me a lot to make this success, along with John sir as well. And all of you have really contributed sincerely. This has made this possible. See, few things I believe you won't mind sharing with you, that these sessions we have clearly identified the distinction between the kind of presentations industry people are doing and the kind of presentation accommodations are doing. So it's quite clear that we need to introspect that how far we have to go ahead and how much amount of efforts we need, being academicians, we need to take to catch up with these guys. So that is what an eye-opener for me. It's quite obvious that our profession expects us to get connected with industry, to be connected with industry always, but that's an irony that nobody recognizes it. Even we have good, comfortable working, sitting conditions here, and we have observed that out of how many people have been coming regularly on time. So a little bit more amount of sincerity and hard work is required to catch up with these guys. Otherwise, a day will come, will fall behind, and if we want to retire with pride and self-respect which we carry today, so getting recognition is not that easy. So, but that is what I realized for myself. So thank you everyone. I would request a couple of ladies and a couple of gentlemen to express their views on this occasion. And so first of all, our senior faculty member, Professor Survase Madam, I would request her to share her views and about the experiences of this sector.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity. Though we are not from the mechanical branch, but we have all these sessions, especially on the first day. The session was very good, and yesterday also the visit I like to see all this PLC works. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. I request anybody, whoever is interested, please. Can you please? Yes, please be.
First of all, I would like to thank Bhosle sir for approving the FDP and bringing or bridging academia with industry. All the sessions were fantastic, the speakers were very good, and it was the first time that machine learning was never so easy before, and the things which we got to learn, they will definitely be benefited for our academy and in our teaching also. So I would like to thank Bhosle sir for enriching this program, and ahead also we are looking forward that this kind of programs will be conducted, and Atal FDPs are definitely very much beneficial for us and for institute as well as for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The basic intent, I from faculty to Ph.D. Even my 3 to 4 Ph.D. students are doing their work, and these scientific methods needs to be taught to the students. They are not available easily in the books and all. So someone must make them sit, show some case studies, motivate them, show them some good papers, and Atal FDP is really a good tool for that, I felt so. Although a lot of documentation we have to do, I mean, it's being always late hours to go home back in the evening, but still I always felt someone must teach these scientific tools to our PhD candidates, so I felt this was important. Even I made sure that my candidates get personal time with these speakers also for discussion. So forgive me for being a little selfish for my students about that. So I would request Dr. Dhananjay sir to express his views on this occasion. So,
thank you for this opportunity. I would like to congratulate Sachin sir and his team on members for this successful conduction of this FDP. I mean, there is tremendous thing in the background that you have to do to execute these things, and I've been watching this for the last 6 days. And even before, when I started registering it and then trying to communicate with your team and with you and all those things. So it was such a nice experience. I've come from Vashi, so it's far away from here. But the moment I saw that there is some FDP on this topic, it clicked me, and that's how I came and joined here. During my vacation, my principal sir said, "Okay, you're going to Baramati." Yes, I'm going there because I want to learn. And this 6 days, was really something which I learned, something new. See, this AI and stuff was not decorated word, 10, 15, 20 years back when I was involved in doing some of the stuff here. But certainly when I saw there is it's so dynamic that things are new, coming new, and it's new to me, always, and it's so dynamic. It didn't go that way, that fast 15, 20 years back, but in last 10 years, if you see, things are changing so dynamically. So you have to keep on learning, and I learned a lot, and I hope that, that collaboratively we can work with your team, faculty members and all when I go back, and this connection is there for, for a longer period of time. It just doesn't stop here today. So I hope and I congratulate and I wish further that the things can be continued in some way or the other in the form of seminar series or something where all of us will be again in touch with each other.
Yes, sir.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request sir to express his view.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Bhosle sir and Dr. Nayak sir also for successful execution of this today's end of the activity. I would like to also thank you for the Dr. Gawande sir, Dr. Madi sir, Dr. Bhagwat sir, and Mr. Mandar sir also to collaborate throughout the FDP, because it is not only about the sitting over here and learning that you want to learn over here, but it is the thing about the help all the participants go after hours of the FDP also. Means frankly speaking, I would like to mention the yesterday incidents only. Dr. Gawande helped us all, me and a few of my colleagues to to wander around the Baramati also, because after a kind of sessions from morning to the evening, it is a kind of thing that we have to refresh also within our campus also, or and make a fresh start for the tomorrow. So in between these two things, sir and sir teams help us a lot within a secure thing. And thank you sir for the arrangement within the campus also. So we are having a kind of convenient timings within the FDP for our what we can say आम्हाला जे राईड सोय केली वगैरे आणि संध्याकाळच्या जेवणाची पण सोय केली. That's
our pleasure, sir. Thank you. Welcome.
And definitely the FDP's outcome is personally it's a kind of input for my work also. I'm doing also Ph.D. So it is definitely one of the input for me also, and the contents within the FDP and the speakers are well aware about their knowledge and well aware about their topic, that definitely it will help each and everyone from the FDP for their work in their progress. Thank you.
I would request Valke madam or Rukrit madam, one amongst you, please express your view.
Hello everyone, I'm from Electrical Department, Srimanti Ropde. My experience was eye-opening for me, this session, because being from Electrical Department background was totally different, and I thought mechanical FDP won't help me that much, but this was a truly different aspect of my work, because I am doing Ph.D. in BMS, that is Battery Management System. So I was thinking of doing something, some exposure on new techniques, learning related to it, and the first sessions of both days were like eye-opening and different from whatever regular studying we did till now, and this helped me in thinking something different about what is right now going on. And I also thought, sir, from these FDPs we get an exposure of what is latest going on in the market or the field industry. This was also my eye-opening session for me, and I am also thinking of planning for good FDPs likewise in this flow, because this might be helpful for all the people who have not attended but can be helpful in future for doing such work. Or this was the opening session for me. Maybe next FDPs may help to some other faculties or some other friends who can do work in their research with them for this. So overall, and as sir said, all hospitality, all the sessions, all arrangements were also very nice. Thank you, sir, for this session.
Thank you. Thank you. I would request Maurice sir if he wants to express his experience.
First of all, thank you very much, AICT as well as Dept for arranging such a wonderful session. I also thankful to Bhosle sir and all his team because they arrange such a program in a very innovative, informative and very friendly nature. One thing is important for me, that is as I completed my Ph.D. in a digital manufacturing background, so many things I am not aware about the artificial intelligence and machine learning thing, but due to these programs I know what are the different scenarios are in the market, what are different new things in the market. So definitely such knowledge is beneficial for me personally and for my student also. So once again I'll thankful to the Bhosle sir and all his team, and apart from this hospitality was too good. So once again thank you very much.
Thank you. I was just introducing Gowande sir to the speaker that he is always our silent star performer. And that is how the theme of the FDP also we planned that आपण हारपुरे वगैरे फार करत बसायचं नाही, शांतपणे एका रूम मध्ये knowledge sharing is an important thing, because a couple of days back we had a huge event in the Gadima where all media and all publicity has been given. This is now time for real serious knowledge sharing, and that is what I believe. Whenever I was head of department, I never believed on conducting public meetings and giving addresses to them. I never believed that we are politically elected leaders. We are appointed people for doing certain responsibilities. So I always believed one-to-one communication with the people. So that is what for this FDP also I believe. So at the last I would request Valke madam or Gowande sir to express. Ladies first. Appreciate and express gratitude towards Ingrid sir also for his 100% attendance and really sincere. That doesn't mean others have not, but thank you very much. That has been a great support. Please.
Basically, I am from civil engineering department, so we always play with cement, sand, aggregate, and water only. Okay, so this was a great opportunity for civil engineering. So what is machine learning? What is actually the basic AI in that? So definitely this time I'm going to give BE project based on AI or machine learning. This was a great experience. Thank you, sir.
At the last round, he said he will express and then we will.
So, first of all, I am thankful to Bhosle sir for organizing this type of the FDP in our institute. Definitely being I will not take being the faculty for a particular department, but for all the faculty members from our department, this is definitely the sessions are very informative, and the way they taught us the technology is emerging in the industry. So definitely we are going to teach our students regarding this technology. So finally, I'm on behalf of the institute, I'm thankful to all the participants who have joined this FDP. Thank you very much.
Sorry if, when I said at the last round, sir, but if Ingrid sir and you want to share your views, please.
Good afternoon. First of all, I will thank Atal and AICT, this team, for giving permission Bhosle sir and his team to take this advantage to reach this knowledge up to us. Okay. One more thing, a teacher in his life or in next 10 to 15 years, he teaches nearly 600 or 1000 or more than that students. Okay. If one teacher, he is educated or he gets some knowledge, he can send or give this knowledge to these students, and definitely the academics will get improved. Because of that, I thank Bhosle sir. Actually, whenever I saw that this is the thing but the Atal FDP going on, my purpose was not to get the certificate. Though certificate is important, but the topic which was academics and industry, whatever the gap is still there, and we should fill this gap, and that responsibility goes again to the teachers majorly, because industry people, they are much more concentrated on their work. They are not having communication with students or new guys. Hence, I thank Bhosle sir, his team, so that they gave us opportunity, and we will really take some things here to spread among the students. Thank you, Bhosle sir and team again.
I would request saying only good things. Someone should criticize the things which we have to work behind. I apologize for the incidents which has happened on Wednesday, since the Dubai has closed their airspace and we have to arrange an alternative speaker for the day. So if the COET scholar can share and last